Mesothelioma is a rare form of cancer that occurs in the mesothelium, a thin layer of tissue that covers most of our internal organs. In most cases, the tissue surrounding the lungs is affected. However, cases have been reported in which other body organs are affected with this condition. This form of cancer is very aggressive and often proves fatal if it is malignant. Mesothelioma know the risk factors. Although several materials can possibly cause this disease, mesothelioma is primarily attributed to exposure to asbestos as reported by the Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry of the CDC. Furthermore, asbestos has been classified by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, as a human carcinogen. According to the CDC, Center for Disease Control and Prevention, exposure to asbestos increases the risk of developing malignant mesothelioma. The latency period for the disease is reported to be around 20 to 40 years. So exposure to asbestos can go unnoticed for decades. Hence, mesothelioma cases are diagnosed years after the first exposure to asbestos occurs. In a study conducted by the CDC's National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, NIOSH, annual multiple cause of death records were analyzed for the period from 1999 to 2005. Early, Lucarelli, Sweeney and Mesenchython has represented mesothelioma victims and their families honestly and effectively for over 40 years. For over 4 decades, the mesothelioma law firm of Early, Lucarelli, Sweeney and Mesenchython has limited its practice to asbestos litigation. In that time, ELSM has helped thousands of mesothelioma victims get the financial compensation they deserved for injuries they sustained from asbestos products made and sold by negligent asbestos companies. In this section, you can learn more about our firm, our experienced legal team, and the outstanding results that we have achieved for our clients. We are confident that after you learn more about us, the clients we serve, and our past track record, you will see how we can put our decades of experience winning mesothelioma settlements to work for you and your family. Initial consultations at Early, Lucarelli, Sweeney and Mesenchython are always free of charge and are designed to help us evaluate your case and measure your chance for a viable, successful lawsuit. We answer any questions you may have about the process thoroughly at this time. In addition, because Early, Lucarelli, Sweeney and Mesenchython operates on a contingency fee basis, the client pays nothing unless we succeed in your behalf and money is recovered.